Why do you take everything so personally? You could be having a completely normal day, and then someone says one small thing, a joke, a comment, or a weird tone, and suddenly your entire mood changes. You smile like it's fine, and later that night you're replaying in your head like it's a movie. Why would they say that? Did I sound stupid? Or are they secretly judging me? And the worst part is, you already know that it's not that deep, but somehow it's still hurting you. So, why does this happen? Well, there is a science behind it, and once you understand, and why you can finally stop taking things personally, I will explain what I do. Hi, this is Jenny, and here I talk about lifestyle and how I deal with problems, emotions, and finance, and which literally made me a millionaire. It will help you in your journey to move ahead faster than those 99%. So, the problem is your brain is not reacting to the moment. It's basically reacting to the memory which is attached to the feeling. Just think of your mind like a Wi Fi router. A router constantly scans for a signal around it, and your brain does the exact same thing. But it scans for emotional signals like approval, rejection, humiliation, love, judgment, and every tone of voice, facial shift, and even silence. Just like a router, it only connects to the network, for which it already has the password. So, what's the password here? Your emotional memory. You have that unhealed emotion or memory inside you, which somewhere you believe it's true. So when someone say it, your unhealed emotion comes to the surface and it connects to the present scenario which was supposed to be a joke, to old memories where you felt that similar pain. And it connects back to the moment in school when people laughed at you, or when someone made you feel not good enough, and when you constantly felt compared to others. So now you're not just reacting to that one sentence, you're reacting to the years of stored emotions. And that is why small things feel so big, because your nervous system remembers what your mind tries to forget. And your brain thinks it's protecting you, and it's basically saying, hey, last time we felt this emotion, but it had deeply hurt us. Let's be alert now. So now you overanalyze every tone, every text messages, every facial expression, and even silence. And honestly, it's very exhausting. But here is the part nobody tells you. You do not have to believe every emotional reaction your brain gives to you. Just because something feels personal doesn't mean it's actually is. And sometimes people are projecting their own insecurities. And sometimes they are stressed, sometimes they are careless, and sometimes it genuinely has nothing to do with you. Your brain automatically makes it about you because that is the pattern it learned. How do you stop taking things personally? The things which help me, which I personally do, is just ask myself, is this person is where I want to be in my life? Is his or her life is perfect? No, right? Is this person going to pay my bills if anything happens to me? Will he or her be there to take care of me? No, right? So does it matter what they think of me? No, right? So anyways, they have their own insecurity which they are projecting through this. I wasn't dead and nobody helped me. And I was thinking to start my online business. When I started, I was working for it and they have told me to stop. You will fail, you cannot do this, you don't have the potential. And what I did, I completely ignored them because I knew nobody is going to support my family. And because of that action, my today's earning is this much, and you can also see my last 7 days earning and last 30 days earning. Not bragging, but now they ask me, how do you do it? So I left my job and living like this, and making this much, and having my time as my freedom. Spending time with my family and enjoying my life. Because of this, many of you have asked me, how do I do it? So if you're serious about it and you want to start, connect with me from the WhatsApp number given in my description, and I will personally help you. That is how becoming so secure within yourself that other people's words stop defining your worth. And that's the real glow up. When someone's opinions no longer control your entire mood, when you stop shrinking yourself to be accepted, and when you finally realize not everybody's behavior is a reflection of your value. And the moment you truly understand that, you stop taking everything personally because now you trust yourself more than other people's temporary opinion. And this is how I do it. So subscribe my channel now. And also, if you have forgot to check my description, go check it now and message me from there. And I will personally help you to move ahead. Any which ways, if you dream big and do nothing, it's not because you're lazy. There is seriously something going in your brain. And if you want to know more, check this video out.